In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import budgets in QuickBooks Online. Budgeting is an essential part of managing your finances, and QuickBooks Online offers a simple, efficient way to create and import budgets tailored to your needs. Whether you're a small business owner or managing the finances of a larger organization, this step-by-step guide will help you streamline the process and ensure your financial planning is accurate and effective. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive into the tutorial. First, open QuickBooks Online and head over to the Financial Planning section. Once you're there, look for the available options and select Budgets. This is where you'll be able to manage and import your financial plans. Next, locate the Import button in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. QuickBooks will now prompt you to choose a budget type. Select the type that best suits your planning needs. For example, you can choose between different styles of budgets, depending on how you want to organize your financial data. After selecting the budget type, it's time to specify the time period for your budget year. Make sure the dates align with your fiscal year to ensure everything stays consistent. Now, you'll need to decide on a budget format. QuickBooks gives you two options. If you want a company-wide budget, select Consolidated. However, if you need more detailed or segmented budgets, choose Subdivided. Pick the format that works best for your financial goals, then click Next to proceed. At this point, QuickBooks will provide you with an Excel template to use for your budget. Click the link to download it directly to your computer. Once the file is downloaded, open the template. Inside the template, you'll see rows and columns where you'll enter your budget data. Input your budget numbers into the appropriate rows and corresponding monthly columns. Be sure to double-check that your account names match the names in your chart of accounts exactly. This is crucial for ensuring a smooth import process. As you're working on the template, avoid making any changes to the columns or headers. Don't insert new columns, delete existing ones, or make any structural changes. If there are accounts you don't need, simply leave those rows blank instead of removing them entirely. Once you've completed entering your data, save the file to your computer in a location you can easily find later. Now return to QuickBooks Online and use the Upload option to select the file you just saved. Once you've uploaded the file, click Next to allow QuickBooks to read and process the data. QuickBooks will then display the imported information for you to review. Carefully check for any errors, such as mismatched account names, incorrect date ranges, or any changes to headers. If you spot any issues, go back to your saved template file, make the necessary corrections, and re-upload it. When everything looks accurate, click Save to finalize the import process. To review your imported budget, head back to the Budgets area in QuickBooks Online. Here you can open the budget to check totals, make any additional edits, or generate reports based on your financial data. And that's it. You've successfully imported a budget into QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.